than gold, whiter than snow, deeper than the ocean, wider than the sea.
Umusa wakho siubonile, igazi likoboza umsebenzi omuhle siubonile. Gongomusa phezu komusa, umusa wakho siubonile, igazi likoboza umsebenzi omuhle siubonile. Gongomusa phezu komusa, 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 yebo gongomusa phezu komusa, gongomusa phezu komusa, gongomusa phezu komusa, gongomusa phezu komusa, yebo gongomusa phezu komusa, yebo gongomusa phezu komusa, gongomusa phezu komusa, gongomusa phezu komusa, sithi gongomusa phezu komusa, gongomusa phezu komusa, gongomusa phezu komusa, yebo gongomusa phezu komusa, yebo gongomusa phezu komusa, gongomusa phezu phezuko musa kungomusa phezuko musa.
Mbonga uJehova mphefumulo wami na konke okuphakathi kwami akubonga egama lakhe elingcwele. Mbokela simbonge uNkulunkulu. Simbonge nje ukuthi siyaphila. Ngoba kusihlaniphaka kwami kusihlaniphaka kwakho mbokela ungenxa emusa waNkulunkulu kungako kumgcwana kangaka ukuthi simbonge. Namhla ehlelweni kweGospel Impact mbokela ngikuvusele ngikwamukele ngethembe ukuthi namhla wakheke emoyeni mbokeli isathumisa lomdzala wedinsuku ngadodwa ingoma. Angihambi ngedvan mbokeli njengenhlala yenda ngihamba naye our own local gospel artist mbokeli ngikhuluma ngaye Phumelela akamkhumane mbokeli. Elotha sicocela kabandi about his journey in the music industry and ukuthi ke namhla uzivakashela ngadi Phumelela. Thank you so much, Buti, for being with us. Ehlelweni siphuma engomeni lemnanzi kakhulu. Thank you so much for honoring us today ehlelweni Gospel Impact. Asiqale nje lapho.
Siyabonga kakhulu Mbali. Ngiphumelela Mkhumane njengoba sachazile Mbali. I'm a Christian.
Yes.
Angiqale lapho. Yes. So my journey has started already. Sisaqhubekela phambili. Yes.
Yes. Talking about the journey, I know that you started being in front of the camera. In front of the camera.
Okay.
Being in front of the microphone years back, I think 2015.
Yeah, from 2015
until now 2024. How was that for you? Waqala njani? Wenda njani ukuthi let me just ngiqale ngidlulise uNkulunkulu through music instead of other ways of worshiping God?
All right. I find it ngakhanza kumalula kimi kuhlabela. I don't know ukuthi ngaqhaza kanjani.
Yes.
But from 2015 ngilangathi discover khona ukuthi maybe ngahlabela. Actually besolo ngihlabela nje emuva esonveni ngihlabela nje praise team, but 2015 ngathi decide ukuthi no asengenyuka nyuke ngento lokukhuhlwana ngokuthi ngibavetele abantu ukuthi ngiyakhonda ngingahlabela kuma concert ngingahlabela emshadweni ngingahlabela emaphathini kutotonke leto indzawo leto.
Yes. I think lokho shidona utichaza uthi ngiyamthanza Jesu kakhulu which is very important lenzaba leyo ikakhulu inzaba ebudlelwane.
Yes.
Because when it comes back to ukuthi uyatfumisa, you're not just singing but utfumisa simakazi. Kumcwa kangakanani, because each time I have a person here it's not about us, the conversation is also about the person watching at home, the importance of the relationship with the person that you're speaking about or singing about. How important is that?
Kumcwa kakhulu. Ngathini ngachaza ngithini lona lengihlabela kuye ngile ngimbone enta umsebenzi empilweni yami. Ngicabanga ukuthi sisuka engomeni ye umusa kahle kahle ngachaza kushona elanga mangichaza ngemusa waNkulunkulu. Ngicabanga ukuthi akukho enough ngidecide nje lokuthi ngihlabele ngaye because ngimbonile empilweni yami. Yes, like le relationship yami ngive ngazuthi kunengi lengangiyakwenta but angiwede through lo music. Yes.
2024 nyalo Phumelela, you started your journey 2015.
Yes.
And singakafiki nje kule part 2024 i-foundation yakho isosonve.
Yes.
Praise team.
Yes.
Lesinye isikhathi siyesibona nje ngento ngazuthi ngiyakhona kuhlabela ngithi let's just do this.
Yes.
Ufunzeni wena ku praise team lekwenda ukuthi ube ngilokuphumelela lo ngoyena namuhla the artist that we see today?
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngifunze ukuthi lokhu uNkulunkulu lakuphe kona go praise team kuyasebenza but ngivangazi ku limited. I should not do it praise team kuphela angiphumele ngephandle because church is limited. But nje ngiphumele ngephandle. Okay, ngathi yini kushumayela ngishumayele praise team ngivangazi akho enough. Kube kuyangami ngangihlabela yonke lendzawo.
Amen.
Ngihlabela yonke lendzawo ngi-express lo musa waNkulunkulu lengibonile empilweni yami. Yes.
Because sesingesikhathi sesive nihlabela ngento ngoma sitshela ukuthi hayi no konke kubahambela kahle. Kanti nabo khona laba suke bakususa khona inzaba isuke isasama usilomya umhlabeleli. Lesikhathi we sing songs or write songs to minister to you guys. But kufike emalanga la khona lengoma say minister back to us. Say khuluma ngalolu hambo nasi lesinayo naNkulunkulu. I think I like the fact that uthi you've learned a lot and this is challenging being on your own. I think now it comes to the question ukuthi were you not scared and uthatha the leap the step yokuthi you know what, this is what I'm going to do now sengiyatimela nyana?
Okay. Angifuna icambe manga kunengi labe kwenteka la ngqondweni wesaba ke vele kunengi kakhulu. It was like throwing a die. Let me try and see if it works. Ngezama ke kancane nje ngilana la ngikhona namuhla because I started angifuna ucabe mangabe kungasikho lula. Yes.
Yeah, but nobody told us.
Nobody
Ukuthi
told
look
us.
easy.
True
It
that.
won't be easy.
True that, yeah.
It won't be easy.
True that.
Now that you're here, 2024, mhlambe mo artist that you look up to that has kind of inspired the Phumelela lesimbona namuhla.
Kunendvodza noma ngahlabelisi kwayo but nje kunendvodza kaDube Benjamin. Bengilalela umusic wakhe ngithanda umusic ngiyawuthanda nanyalo.
Yes.
So la engqondweni yami benginakho lokuthi uyakuba ngafana nalendvodza leya. So ngibukile nje yebo ngeke ngize ngifanane naye but nje I've been watching, I've been observing his music journey, ngilalela some interviews ukuthi how did he started it, abelala kakhona nyalo, but nje I've been observing abantu labafana nalabo. Yes.
So long as utabe uyabuya dothi babe Benjamin besothi nawe Mbali I understand ukuthi ngizwe ngithathe njenge artist like I understand yofika nilenza wala nithatha serious call ngidawudula
Yeah, asengiyiconsider asengiyifakele itibuko le yakho
mbukeli ihlelo Gospel Impact sihleti nayo Phumelela mbukeli ngelo sitawuthola another beautiful song ethembe ukuthi udayit fokotela kakhulu donke anyway.
njengalo yebo alikho igama elihle njengalo yebo alikho igama elihle njengalo yebo alikho angaliboni igama elihle njengalo yebo alikho igama elihle njengalo yebo ke alikho igama elihle njengalo yebo alikho igama elihle njengalo alikho igama elihle njengalo.
Purer than gold, whiter than snow. Purer than gold, whiter than snow.
Welcome back mbukeli ubukela ihlelo iGospel Impact hlelo lapho khona sithumisa lo mdzala wetinsuku ngato ingoma namhla ke ehlelweni mbukeli sinaye Phumelela balapha ekhaya eSwatini mbukeli sikhuluma ngayo ijourney yakhe yenza music industry mbukeli ukuthi uqale njani uyayichaza ke indzaba ebudlelwane the importance of the relationship with God. Phumelela, as we are talking about the relationship with God, you are one person lo bekahlabe. I believe you've built my relationships around the industry already in 2024.
Yes.
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 How is that for you? How was that?
Actually, it's been God's grace angisho njalo. Lama relationships lamanye bengiwakha ngebandfu tsite. Bengiba ngumngani wemuntu lo connected. It's been through connection. Kumngani unconnected nalomnye umngani. So it's been working like that, and I'm still making more relationships with great people. To be honest, angisho ukuthi ngisengakafiki la ngifuna kufika khona ngalama relationships, but nje I'm still getting there. Ngisaqala start gcina sifikile la sifuna kugcina sifike khona.
Amen. Ngabe kula khona gcina sifike khona. Phumelela, besithole ingoma yakho before we went for an ad break, ingoma lethi alikho egama elifana njani. What can you say about that song? Itsini kuwe le ngoma when you're saying?
Actually le ngoma ikhuluma lokunengi. Singaqala eMove ekhaya. Sine simbonile uNkulunkulu samphatha ngetandla. Sibonele ligama la uNkulunkulu lesebentela nje ethi impela letinengi. Singajeza kuchaza namhla lokunye kwako la, but nje likhala lakithi lasuka khona bekunetimpilo etinengi kakhulu engeke ngichaze nalethi inkulu kakhulu futhi eqinisweni lonke ngabe safa thina. But nje sathi masimukela Jesu kwaqala maka wamukela Jesu utababe setha sonke sabona leligama lisentela tini fokuletimbi besibhekene nazo masisakhula ekhaya. Yes.
Amen. In terms of writing, I always ask my artist ukuthi kukhona yini umcwabe ukubhala ingoma, because I believe there's nothing wrong hlabela ingoma yambali simelana. There's nothing wrong hlabela ingoma lesicilongweni. But kukhona imvelo bomcwabe ukubhala ingoma yetinsha.
Bukhona bomcwabe ukubhala ingoma yetinsha. Because I-encounter yakho naNkulunkulu etimeni side ikufundisa kubhala tsithe, actually suke expressa lokhu lesikubone etimpilweni tethu asentela kona uNkulunkulu. Ngicabanga ukuthi nalethi khona ingoma moyithatha uyihlabela kuya ngekuthi uexperienceni ngaNkulunkulu kuyo. So nalokubhala it's fine kumnanzi kakhulu and we should do it if ukhona kwenta because usukubona uNkulunkulu. Wendlula esimeni kuvela ingoma uyabhala. So mawuhlabela lo ngoma uhlabelela kuthi nalo ndlula esimeni lesifana nalesi lo ndlule kuso nawe akuthole lokutholile ku breakthrough ngaleyo ngoma. Yes.
Papa, I'm going to take you back a bit because ngifuna sikhulumise indzaba ebudlelwane, right?
Yes.
In relationships, and now I want us to touch indzaba yekuseva isonveni.
Okay.
Ngokuthi you started in church, now you're an artist. Lobumcoka bekuseva regardless of being the artist that you are. Ngabe ngibuphi because sizama ukuthathana nabanye now that I'm artist. Ngoba lesikhathi uva ngazothi ngabathi and artist bad isonveni awusathenzi lutho.
True.
So phuthumela ke kuphi nakuphi into zasekhaya usathisebenzisa. To stay grounded, how important is that? Ekhaya wathi lokuthi ekhaya lami ngila. Ngi-artist yebo but
Sure.
ekhaya nabathi esonveni ngende 1 2 3 I can still do it.
Kumcoka kakhulu lokho. Kokucala nje nawe kuya protect because uyayiwadi ukuthi ekhaya unababe, let's say a pastor lo ngubabe wakho. So nangabe akunikete instruction wakhona kuyilandzela leyo instruction uthi awukhona kuphila because impilo nje igovernishwa ama instructions. So kufuna uyiqale ekhaya lendlu, iqale esonveni, uyiqale kulocal kodwa awukhona kuba relevant la ngephandle because impilo mawufuna kuba right na ufuna ukuthatheka serious, na ufuna kuhlonipheka, so kufuna ukuthi ema instructions walalele futhi walandzele. So nawe shoza ufuna ukubona ukuthi strong kangakanani, submitter esonveni. Noma ngawe uyeva ngazi ukuthi uyi-artist noma uyakhula bayakusalutha abantu beva ngazi you are a great person, you cannot be greater than your father, you cannot be greater than your home. So make sure ukuthi leli khaya lokulo uyahlonipha nema instructions utaba ngumuntu lomcoka kusasa. Yes.
True. Talking about Bundvu Mkhumane, you started 2015
Yes.
and today we're having this conversation 2024. I believe we're calling my challenges along the way. Sisifike kulendzaba lesikwena namuhla lesikhulumisako. Ukuthatha nje lomunye, how have been the challenges and what has kept you ukuthi uthi noma kunjena I ngokubambelela.
Ema challenges angifuna icambe manga ahlala khona nawo hlezi akhona. Eqinisweni lonke kule nkonzo lesicalile akusilula, angifuna icambe manga futhi nje akusekho mnanzi. At times kuba mnanzi kuhle kungabi mnanzi, lesinye isikhathi ufile ngazi usi why am I doing this, why ngingayekeli. Maningi lama challenges nje lesingeke siwa expose maybe emoyeni for now, but nje akusiko lula. Maningi ama attacks alendvo lena maybe ngabathi ngulumo against what you are doing, nema criticism la ohlele akhona, and futhi lamanye weve efike indlebeni takho ma criticism uve ngazi uthi no, I'm not relevant, I'm not the right person kwenta lento le. Kunengi nje ngachaza kanengi, but nje ngisitwe ngalokuthi bese ngiya understand ukuthi lona longibitile nguye lo nemandla ekungifikise ekugcineni la kafuna ngigcine ngifike khona. So kunelivesi elisi fix your eyes unto him, the pioneer and the perfecter of your faith. Once you fix your eyes unto him, I'm telling you kunengi lokutawendeka la ndleleni, but la mehlo makalapha you don't mind of what is happening along the journey.
Amen. I think what you're saying is very important. Mbogele khaya emcoka kakhulu lenzaba la ithenzako lokuthi lesinye isikhathi siye sive ngathi simo siyakususa enzaweni, uve ngathi semadvola yaceka, uve netinkhulumo tebantu futhi doubt the person that lomlandzelako. Lamava kankhumbuta Jobe nakathi nyamati umhlenga uyaphila wambitanga emhlenga kamhlenge, nawe mbogela ekhaya whatever that you are going through sigcina enkosini uhlale uNkulunkulu, ethathe amahla akho abekse uNkulunkulu konke kutahambela kahle. Ungabuka isimo, ungabuka abantu, ungalaleli abantu, kepha ulalele ukuthi uthini, uthi lomunye which report do you believe?
Yeah.
Ngoba mina ngasho lekicabanga bona usho but ekugcineni kwakonke ngibani lo nefinance yeah, because sometimes I think lokho lokususaka enzaweni tetfu lokususaka kunaleli cebo la uNkulunkulu, we listen to other people and start comparing ukuthi nangabe athi lo kusho ukuthi vele
shothi,
you know what I And future collaborations mhlawumbe, or that you're planning. Ungasangibidi igama lami ngiyadlosa into osebenza nawo, but nje, you know, future collaborations, people that yakuthini that lithi kudala
Dala
so nami
khuluma ngalo
ngiyadala.
mlomo wakho. Yeah, lisho njalo. Lisikhuluma ngalo
Yeah,
mlomo
man.
wakho.
So any future plans that you are praying for at some point?
Ngathini? Eminyakeni lodako nginesiqiniseko lokuthi
Amen. I like
we
ukuthi
are
nesiqiniseko.
going big.
Amen.
We are going big.
Amen.
That was the beginning. Lokhu lesikwendile nje is the beginning of great things.
Yes.
Yes. Next year we are going big. Setawuhlala phasi etafuleni ne-team usubona ukuthi ngubani lesiva ngazi ukuthi angabuya sisebenze naye.
Bukela isitawuthola ingoma lemnanzi kakhulu, Another Live performance, ingoma yakhe ephumelela, ngethemba ukuthi utayithokozela.
Mina ngipha kamisela amehlo wami ezintabeni. Mina ngipha kamisela amehlo ezintabeni. Usizo lwami luvela kuyu Jehova. Ngithi usizo lwami luvela kuyu Jehova. Owenzile izulu kanye nomhlaba, Jehova nguMbusi wami. Owenzile izulu kanye nomhlaba, Jehova nguMalusi 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 wami. Owenzile izulu nomhlaba Jehova malusi wami owenzile izulu kanye nomhlaba Jehova malusi wami Githi Jehova malusi wami Jehova malusi wami Jehova malusi wami Jehova malusi wami Jehova malusi wami
Purer than gold, whiter than snow. Purer than gold, whiter than snow.
Welcome back Mbukeli solubukele ihlelo iGospel Impact lethi naye mbali wakasimelane umnguni impembe Ndebeze Mchwane solo senda njalo Mbukeli sitfumisane nomdzala wetinsuku ngathi ingoma Mbukeli sakhana emoyeni kumcwa kakhulu Mbukeli sikusho ukuthi kudlelana noNkulunkulu kumcwa kakhulu singafuni itinfo takhe sifune nakucala konke kutabe sekuyalandzela namhlehlelo ngembukeli ngehlethi naye Phumelela sikhuluma ngayo ijourney yakhe Phumelela as we are talking about in terms of ama collaborations nenzaba ema relationships what can we say you've learned so far that you are using nyalo nje kutoba nale project otoba nayo
ema collaborations ema relationships amcoka ngekuthi kunebandfu lota ukhuluma nabo mawulungiselela umsebenzi lofana nalo bangakuniki stress babe willing to work with you I relationship leyo nisebenzisane kahle nabo kahle ngathini ma relationships akunike akwakhela bobhuti nabo sisi labakhona ukufala ngasesikhatsini lesimadima at times uyayuve ngazuthi ish yathi ngabe ngiyajikisa ngiyahocisa le ndvo lengiqalile angikho sure ukuthi itawuba ngiyo yini ukucala lokho kwesibili kube ma challenges ekwekuthi ngabe le support ngidayithola yini vele ngisenta le ndvo le kwesithathu bese kuba imali ke ma finances financial constraints kunengi kakhulu so maningi lama challenges ayo lento le
yes true yes. But we thank God finally it's
but
happening
we thank God because nguye lona lo wenta tonke leto tinfo tenta kahle tonke tinfo esho njalo livula kuNkulunkulu yes yeah
so now finally it's here what can you tell us about it because I know you're excited more than anything to talk about it
so I'm ready to talk so yeah ngathini let's expect God actually on that special day. Let me say it's a special day. Yeah, because we have prayed about it. We are looking forward to it. Kubona ukuthi uNkulunkulu ufuna kusiniketa ini. Because kwanathi senda silungiselela lelanga nje si expect uNkulunkulu ukuthi ende something kithi nangathi futhi yes.
Yeah, true. I think that brings us to what are you working on? Because finally this is going on, this is happening, this is saying okay, no, let's talk about the whole day, what is happening on the day, what can we expect and all of that on the special day.
On the special day. Yes. On the special day, sitabe si khonda uNkulunkulu ngemusic. Sihloko sale project yonke. Sihlalo semusa yes isihlalo semusa sisusele encwadini yaHebrews chapter 4 verse 16 asite ngesibinzi esihlalweni semusa kuze sizuze sihawu nemusa lesiyawusebenzisa ngesikhathi lesifanele sitabe sikhonza uNkulunkulu tingoma vele tikhuluma ngemusa vele kakhulu yes sibone uNkulunkulu asithathe endzaweni asibeke enzaweni ngemusa wakhe. So lokubhala kwethu noma lokubhala kwami kugcile kakhulu la emseni kaNkulunkulu. Kahle kahle nje sinesitabe sihlabela ngemusa kaNkulunkulu, sisherishela abantu ngemusa kaNkulunkulu lesokubona empilweni yethu kulelo langa. Yes.
How's that line-up? How is it?
I-line-up sina Siphiwo Dlangamandla, sina Lucia Kate, sina Zanele Pearl, sina Masebenza Malinga, sina Nhlanganiso Shongwe, sina Nozipho Bhula, baningi kakhulu.
Ngathi ukhohle bhuti wami. Siniso simelane.
Siniso Zimelane, I cannot forget that one.
Yes.
Siniso Zimelane, yes.
Lo mnyanga budala ukuthi na uqala wenda umsebenzi ofana njengalona, how did you think ukuthi okay, these are the people that I'm going to work with this project, because this is something that's going to be with you for the whole of your life. Yes. So how did you choose ukuthi I'm going to work with this, I'm going to work with this person?
Eqinisweni lonke wakhuluma ngema relationships. So uyaye nje uma ucabanga lo bhuti wakho lo vamise ku-encourage, athi please do it, please do this, please do it, just go big bhuti, why uhleleni? So labo bantu labo uyaye uma ucabanga nje kufike nakuqala bese uyamtshela bhuti I'm going big ukuthi ngala bese kuba lula kanjalo ke sesiyaqhubeka. Yes,
I think that's the benefits of the relationships.
that's the benefit of the yes.
Very true. Bukeli sihleti naye Phumelela uchaza indzaba lemcoka kakhulu. Bukeli indzaba ilanga lelikhulu la isho ke ukuthi itabe ikhona masinyana sebenzisana nabo his brothers and sisters that will be happening very soon. Ngethemba ukuthi nalapha ekhaya sitabe sinawe sithumisa lo mdzaba. Gospel Impact will be there sitawuthumisa nabazalwane ngadodwa ingoma. Enyalo ke sitawuthola another beautiful live performance. Ngethemba ukuthi sitawuthokozela.
Bonge uJehova, phefumlo wami. 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 Bonge uJehova, phefumlo Jehova phefumulo wami bonge bonge uJehova phefumulo wami 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 bonge uJehova phefumulo wami.
Mbukele Gospel Impact lisho njalo liculo liphuma kulombukele lithi simbonge uJehova kwamele simbonge uNkulunkulu mbukele simbonge tindvo tengihambi kahle simbonge tindvo hamba kahle inganiso loNkulunkulu ukuthi kuhambani ukuthi kwentekani empilweni yakho akusho ukuthi na kasase uNkulunkulu soluhlede esihlalweni ngena ke phumelela as we are about to close the show ungathi nje mave khutha umbukele ekhaya I mean because you touched indzaba lemculo kakhulu ukuthi you started 2015 and finally things have happened for you 2024 longamsheleshela kona nje mave kumkhutha naye asakule le journey la kuyo naye even if it's a different one from yours.
Okay, ngathi kumbukela ekhaya ongaweva emavi lamaningi lakhuluma loku negative.
Yes.
Vani linye futhi uhlale kuleli lelathi yenta lokhu lofuna kwenda. Maningi lamavi la ngakudiscourage but nje lalela linye noma stick to leli loaliva lelakutshela ukuthi yenta lokhu lokufuna kwenda uhlale lapho. Yes.
Amen. Thank you so much for your time and siyabonga emavelo siniketa wona namuhla and may God bless you as you are doing the great job that you're doing on your special day. Ngiyakuzobukela emakhaya willing to come through nomhla ka 5 July to come and support Sibatothomisa Nkulunkulu now and your friends on the day. Sihlele Gospel Impact Stabes khona and really can't wait for that.
Thank you. I can't wait.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you so much.
Mbukele nguye phumelela wamkhumana usho njalo mbukele uthi songa sidibane mhla ka 5 July mbukele sovuseleleka sakheke emoyeni ngantoda ingoma aletha wona umsebenzi lomuhle labe yasala uthandazela finally the special day has come asenesiqiniseko ukuthi sihamba siyasupporta eLswati an artist lapha ekhaya eSwati mbukele enesiqiniseko ngibona ukuthi banathi iphinzele imvalenze lako ngasona sikhathi sifanako mina ke ngingibali wakaSimnani umnguni impembe Lebze Mqwane and the rest of the Gospel Impact team sithinisele kahle and God bless you.